Alright, so it's now been 60 minutes and our boil is done. And it's time to transfer our wort into our no-chill container. Some people use a copper immersion chiller, which runs cold water through a copper tube and out into another receptacle because it warms up the water, of course. And that wastes a whole ton of water. And in California, we don't really have the luxury of wasting water. So what I do is I do what the Australians do, and I have this sanitized container here that has star sand inside of it that I've rolled around inside of it, and it's all sanitized and good. And it's about 6.5 gallons, and I get them online. And I just pour out all the sanitizer. That's good. And then I put the hose in here. And I open my valve. And it's 6.5 gallons, and I have about 6.5 gallons inside of here. So it should fill it up really nicely. And after we're done filling it, we're gonna push out as much remaining air as we possibly can, because it's a flexible plastic container. But it's rated temperature. It has a temperature rating high enough such that you can put just boiled wort inside of it, and you won't leach any chemicals or disfigure the plastic container in any way.